Okay, here's a 2016 Volvo XC90, a vehicle very close to my heart. I love XC90s. Who doesn't? And look at those great wheels. This is the first year, I believe, of the redesign, and I hear they are probably one of the least reliable XC90s to buy. Oh my gosh, it's a T6 all-wheel drive, 107,000 miles. It's got a brand new set of Pirelli Scorpio tires on it. It's got the roof rails, and it's got that nougat looking interior on it. Oh, this thing's gorgeous. Female owned, got her little hairband and everything there. Interior's held up pretty well. I love the little Swedish flags that they do on the seats. I think that's cute. Yeah, I heard these 16s were not the best year, but looks like these people hung in there with this one. It's got 107,000. Look at this. You twist. There you go. Wow. Volvo on call, service required. Oh, okay, that's for the on call. Now, man, these little iPad screens, Volvo, man, this is crazy what they did with these things, man. 360 view. Wow. Oh yeah, look at this. How cool is that?
You know, she was credited. Way back.
Okay. How? Okay. These menus, second row climate control, third row climate control. Wow, that is cool. Just the temperature throughout. This one looks like it's been pretty well maintained. It doesn't, I mean, it's just a little dirty. It's got a, looks like they left a few personal effects. I actually use this Gold Bond aloe healing for my hands. Thank you. This thing is really nice to be a 16 with 107,000 miles. Really, really nice. I wish I just knew how to use the screen a little bit better. Let's go to profile. Profile 1. Confirm. We'll go as a guest. Oh no, don't go messing with my seat now. Or my freaking mirrors. Okay, let's get the mirror back over here. This is cool. Let's take it for a drive. I have no idea if I'm in gear. Oh man, what cool displays. Now this thing has a turbocharged and supercharged 2-liter 4-cylinder that makes, I think, about 300 and, correct me if I'm wrong, 320, 340 on the horse. It makes a ton of freaking power. Apparently the turbocharger or the supercharger, one comes in for early power and the early comes in for later power. You know, kind of later, you know, as you get higher speeds. It says it's averaging 21 miles per gallon. Pretty cool stuff. And this thing actually feels tight as a drum. No warning lights. We ain't got no issues. Holy cow. That 2-liter will get up and go, buddy. She's got some power. And this thing's all-wheel drive, so it doesn't spin any wheels. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this. I can get behind one of these, but this is still going to be a little too pricey and out of my price range. Plus, with it being a 16 first-year car, man, I don't know about that, you know? But it sure does run good. Doesn't seem like it has an issue at all. No issues. Yeah, it's pulled some kid duty. You can tell where the car seat's been in there. But what a beautiful color combination, man. I just love this. That is a navy blue with that tan nougat interior. I'm sure the tow package has never been used. Just a beautiful car. Looks terrific. Good meaty new tires. Somebody went and traded this thing in at Marshall Mize Ford. What in the heck would they have traded this for? Maybe a new Expedition? Maybe the kids are getting bigger? They got a McCann air filter. Everything looks clean under here. Runs great. Sounds great. Heck yeah, that is a sweetheart of a motor. Man, I wish I could afford to buy it. Because it seems like it's a well-maintained unit. Oh. They serviced it. The Ford dealership did. Went ahead and gave it an oil change. I think this could be a pretty awesome vehicle. Or it could be a maintenance headache and a maintenance nightmare. You know, it could go either way. Either freaking way, man. But golly, it is so lovely. Look at that Q5 sitting at Q8, I'm sorry, aka Lamborghini Urus. That's sitting there because we have a Volkswagen sale here once a month, so I'm sure it's here early for the Volkswagen sale. Man, this was a delight. I'm glad I saw this thing. I just love this car. But I'm a sucker for a Volvo any day. That is cool. Oh, and then you change your drive modes right here by rolling the little... Huh. Okay, well, I can't get that to work. Cool car, man. Cool car. Comment on the Volvo XC90. What a great looking old Cherokee. Wow. Yeah, comment on the Volvo XC90. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.